Dear students, I'd like to record this video to present my course Strategic Management. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you with the beginning of the semester. I do hope that everything is okay with everybody, so it is possible for us to work at the course. Please don't be afraid that everything will be online. No, I'd like to present this video for everybody, just to understand, to make it clear for everybody what must be done within our course. Our course, first of all, I'd like to say that I love this course. It is the most lovely course, and I do hope that everybody like it. It will be a lot of rather interesting conclusions for you, I do hope, and it will be a lot of interesting tasks. It will be a lot of teamworks. It will be very interesting grading system within the course. Nobody asks you what is this or what is that. It will be possible to have 5A without any questionnaire, without any exam, and it will be very maybe unusual for you structure of the course. Let's begin with the structure of the course. We will begin, as you might see in your timetable, we are meeting every Monday, two first pairs at 8 and at 10 a.m. But it is written in the timetable. It's not written, but I think you guessed that it must be lecture and practice, but generally yes, but in September it will be lectures, and in October it will be the same, and in November and in December it will be practices. Generally it will be practices in November, and in December it will be teamwork with Slovenian students. Okay. First of all, you have to create teams. Every team must consist of 2 or 3 students. It's not possible to be alone, and it's not possible to have more than 3 students in one group. For example, 4. It will be 2 groups. 2 plus 2. 2 groups, not 1. Maybe somebody asks me, is it possible to work alone? Yes, generally it is possible, but working alone you will lose 2 benefits. The first benefit is that you will lose communication with Slovenian students. It will be very interesting for you. And the second is that during communicating with a team, it will be possible to present a task not once but several times. Okay, maybe I should begin with the grading system. The grading system will be the following. You will have 8 tasks, and it will be possible to present each task 3 times, and I will be not your professor, but I will be like maybe specialist, like advisor, like a person who is working in a consulting firm. So I will say maybe that you should add something, or you should write something due to something. And every team, it will be possible for every team to present every task 3 times, and the result of this presenting will be yes or no. I hope yes. I hope yes. Certainly, I hope yes. And if it is yes, it doesn't mean how many times you have presented the task. It will be good with the first attempt, but it will be also good with the third attempt, so it's not a problem. And when you have 8 yes, so it will be possible for you to communicate with Slovenian students. Generally, there are 3 rather difficult things with during working at these tasks. The first is that you have to meet a lot of deadlines. Why it is so? The first part of your task should be sent to Slovenia before the 1st of October, because Slovenian students will use your information for their task. That is why you will have to present 3 tasks until the 1st of October. Every task will have deadline, and if you it is possible to miss one deadline, but if you lose more than a week, it means that it's not possible for you to stay in the project. Okay. The next information, the second rather difficult thing is that all tasks must be prepared in English, in good English, because it will be sent to Slovenian students. So if you think it is possible to use Google Translator, no, totally no. Maybe you will translate for yourself some things, but generally it must be written. It must be written in good English. And if somebody wants to work alone, it means that he or she will have only one attempt. It means that at the end of the course, the student will send me the course paper, and I will evaluate it. It will not be possible to change anything, and the grade will be the following. If it is everything is correct, it is 5A. If it is a mistake in one task, it will be like -1 for B. If there are mistakes in 2 parts, in 2 tasks, it will be -2 for C, and until 3E. So your first task until the Monday is the next Monday is to build teams within 2 or 3 friends. It's not a task which will be evaluated. It's rather easy. I will tell you about general description of the tasks which must be done within the course a little bit later in several minutes. Okay. You have to choose an enterprise. You have to choose an enterprise. It means that you must analyze some company, some commercial company within your project, and the company must not be connected with financial services, and the company must be profitable company. It's not possible to describe, to take an object of your research, I don't know, a university or something like that, non-profitable organization. For Ukrainian students, it must be only Ukrainian companies. For international students, it should be any company. It could be company from your country, or it could be any international company. How we I will inform you how it will be. It must be done. Having chosen the company, you have to inform me. I think in our chat, and I will present Google table, and with the help of this Google table, I will inform that somebody took this company, not somebody, but the team, and it's not possible for other teams to take the same company. What tasks should be done within the course? What companies should be, sorry, not what companies, what tasks should be done within the course? There are seven tasks. The first is description of the company. I will present you the what must be prepared about the company in written form. Then the second task is mission for a company and missions for 2 departments. Then 10 objectives for the company, and every objective must be supported with at least 2 tasks. Then it must be an industry analysis, and you should use a template which will be discussed during our course. Then it will be a model of 5 forces by Michael Porter. Then it will be a map of strategy group, and then you will have to choose the type of the strategy of your company. So there are 7 tasks. And at the end, maybe it was my mistakes at the beginning, I said 7 tasks, and having prepared these 7 tasks, it will be like first part of our communication process, and then you will have to communicate with Slovenian students. In September and in October you will be delivered by lectures. and in November and in December it will be pure teamwork and communicating. And my role within the course is not like your professor or your tutor. No, I will be like a person who works at some consulting team, and you ask me to help you like this. I thought I said everything. So this Monday I want to see everybody. I hope we will be not in red zone, because if we are in red zone, so I will use Zoom to deliver lectures. It's not a problem for me, believe me, because last semester I did it like this in this way, but normally we are meeting at 8:30 in U5 building. I don't remember the number of the room, but you will check your timetable. And what is very crucial thing, it's not possible for anybody to take part in the project after the 2 weeks. So when 2 weeks, 2 first weeks are gone, it is possible for anybody to prepare a work, to prepare a task only alone, and in this very case you will lose these two benefits. So on Monday I'm waiting for everybody. I'm waiting, we will begin with the same maybe presentation. I will answer to your question about general format of our course. Then we will discuss the teams and the enterprises which must be chosen as objects of your research, and then I will begin with delivering lectures. Have a nice day.